Yo, Jim. A Fender. Today we're here looking at a patio installation project. Jim is explaining how he played a Fender Stratocaster guitar. So when we do exterior patios, the first thing we start off with is 4-inch concrete patio, and you'll see that underneath. After that, we can build the sitting walls. These are 18-inch sitting walls, 40-inch pillars, 36 to 40-inch pillars. We're actually utilizing the same patio stone for the caps on the pillars and the walls. There's a bunch of different options that you have there. And you'll see here the concrete patio. We're going to be making the cuts for the edging pieces. You see the two-sided retaining wall block, and we have a sitting wall on the left side. The pillar's getting ready to go in. We have the electrical set up so that when they turn on that back house light, that when that pillar is set up, the lighting comes on there as well. Brandon is bringing gravel for the back side of this wall. So this other wall is going to be the exact same size. The problem is, or the good thing about it is, it's going to be level behind there. So all that's going to be finished landscaping with trees. We have water feature up underneath this deck. Pretty much unusable space. We'll probably get that in another video and kind of the details of that. But we're going to be working on that as well. It's up and running. It's pondless, so you'll see there is no pond. The water just percolates down into a big gravel pit and then flows back up, which makes it really easy to take care of.